One question we get asked quite a bit is, if I invested ceramic coating on my vehicle and then I get in an accident or I have an insurance claim, what happens? Well, in most cases, you'll actually have your insurance company or the insurance company involved will actually pay to have the ceramic coating put back on your car. If you were in an accident and it was someone else's fault, it's going to be important to let that insurance company know that you have ceramic coating on your vehicle. Keeping your original receipts is always a great idea, and they may ask you to go out and get a quote from a reputable shop to reapply ceramic after the claim is done. If you have insurance on your own vehicle after you get the ceramic, we always recommend reaching out to your insurance company and letting them know that you've added ceramic, just like any other aftermarket add-on to a vehicle. You just want to make sure that you've got the proper coverage to where if and when you get in an accident or have a claim, you're properly covered at that point. The way that would work, if you had a hail damaged car, you bring it to a shop like ours, we'd actually be able to repair the claim, send a bill and a copy of the original receipt back to the insurance. They would reimburse the shop for the repairs, for the ceramic coating, get your car looking amazing and protected, and get you back on the road. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to one of our shops. We're happy to answer any questions about ceramic, about insurance claims, or about any of the other multiple services that we do here. Thanks so much.